Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to look at how to reset your EcoDot Generation 4. So this is your EcoDot. Now with most of the devices, most of the generation, they've actually changed the reset way. So now the volume key and all is not being used. Now all you have to do is switch this on and then press the action button. Now keep it pressed for 25 seconds. Yes, 25 seconds. Then it will get reset. Let me just show you that it's on.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. Take a look at the help section in your Alexa app.
Now I was using a different Wi-Fi, different account on this. So I'm changing the account. So I need to reset. So let's go ahead, reset this. So I'll keep the action button pressed like that. Keep it pressed for 25 seconds, almost 25 seconds.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Now I'll keep it pressed. Now it's in setup mode, but I don't want setup mode. I want to reset it completely.
Resetting your device. This will take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
Okay. So now you'll see the orange light is blinking. Now the reset has started. So if you just want to do a setup, just keep it pressed for around 5 seconds or so. It will go into the setup mode. But if you want to do a complete reset, you'll have to keep it pressed. Now you see the light is getting brighter. And then it goes off. Now it'll come back again, and then it'll be you'll get a fresh device to set up your account. So we just have to wait for some more time. And you see it looks like as if it's dead. It's not working. Something's gone wrong. You see no lights have come back up, but it's that way. You have to just leave it for some time. I'll just keep it this way so you can see the LED. Okay, it's back on. The LED does look good in this scenario. Now, even though it's not great like this, you can't really see it. But if the lights are off, it actually looks fine. Let me just switch off the studio light. Okay, so it's really very good, and it's got different texture to it. So it's bluish, it's greenish. So you get all those mixed colors. So that actually looks nice.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Okay, let me switch on the light. Okay, so that's how you reset it. Now all you have to do is get your phone, put the Alexa app on it, and then go ahead and set it up. All you have to do is search for this device. So that's how you reset the EcoDot Generation 4. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.